Grüß euch und Servus mga kabayan! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about our pets, the canary birds. Before we had 8 birds and now we have only 4 birds left. 2 of them flew away and 2 of them are dead. The name of our birds are Pitak, Itsoy, Jello, and Orange. Our birds are not in the cage and they are allowed to fly around the whole room. Canaries are easy to care. The bird's cage must be always clean every day by using vacuum cleaner to take the remaining seeds on the floor. The foods container and the water container is always clean every day, especially the water 3 to 4 times a day. They have also different kinds of feeds that are specially only for them. They have egg food, vitamins which is mixed in the water to stay them healthy and prevent sickness. They also love to eat fresh fruits like apple, orange and lettuce salad. They are also eating sand. This helps them to digest the food in the stomach. They are also taking a bath. That's why we need to change the water every 3 to 4 times a day. Because the water that they used to take a bath, they are also drinking that. When the springtime comes, they begin to sing. Thank you for watching mga kabayan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless us all and see you next time.